Hello to my dear student. So we will start now computer science paper 2 and we are going to start the second lesson, that is logic gates and sequential circuit. Logic gates and sequential circuit. Though you have different lesson, but still I am going to start this lesson only. First of all, you have to make one notebook for these all notes. Give the heading, give the lesson name, logic gates and sequential circuit, and after that note down all the notes that I will give you. So first of all, we'll start. What is the meaning of logic gates? Now actually this lesson, it gives the idea of relation between mathematics and logic by means of Boolean algebra, and we have the different kinds of logic gates. So this lesson gives a relation between that logic gates and the mathematics. See, when we can say the computer, so computer, it is not only a single unit, but it different parts it makes the computer. Means computer having the different parts. असा कुठले कुठले पार्ट्स असतात कम्प्युटरला. सो कम्प्युटर इट कंटेन्स द इनपुट डिवाइस, then it having the central processing unit, that is nothing but your CPU, then output device. So this all different part makes the computer. Now in input device is nothing but your keyboard. So what is the keyboard? Which feeds the input to the computer. Then CPU stands for central processing unit. In central processing unit, you have the different again sections. Three main sections are there. One, it is the CU, then another it is the ALU, and third one it is the memory. Okay, so CU stands for control unit, then ALU stands for arithmetical and logical unit, and memory it is used to store the different data of computer, and the processing data means the processing output we can see on the output device, that is your screen. So in case of the ALU, so whatever the instruction जो डेटा आपण कम्प्युटरला देतो तो डेटा हा इनपुट डिवाइस थ्रू आपण देत असतो. तो डेटा इनपुट डिवाइस थ्रू कम्प्युटरकडे गेला किंवा CPUकडे गेला तर त्याचं प्रोसेसिंग होतं. प्रोसेसिंग म्हणजे काय, जर आपण काही ॲरिथमॅटिकल इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिलेले असतील तर त्या CPUमध्ये ॲरिथमॅटिकल युनिटला जातील. तिथे समजा ॲडिशन करायची असेल तर तो ॲडिशन करेल, आणि ॲडिशन केल्यानंतर जे आन्सर आहे दॅट रिझल्टिंग आन्सर यू विल गेट ऑन द आउटपुट डिवाइस. So this is only a simple process. We can say that it is only a simple process, giving the input, processing and takes the output. But in case of the computer, this is not a simple process. To do this kind of process, we need the some different kinds of components. हे सगळं करण्यासाठी आपल्याला काही कंपोनंट्सची गरज पडते, आणि ते कंपोनंट्स म्हणजेच अँड दॅट सर्किट्स आर नथिंग बट द different kinds of collection of resistors, capacitors and analog circuits, and this collectively means the collection of resistor, capacitors are nothing but the logic gates. This logic gates. Now what is the definition of logic gate then? The logic gates are the basic circuits. I am giving you that definition on the board. You can note down it. Definition of logic gates. So what is the logic gate then? Logic gate. The logic gates are the basic circuit. It is the basic circuits of digital electronic system like resistors, then you have the capacitors. In analog circuits, so we can define the logic gates in this way. So this logic gates, it gives the examples also based on the logical equation, and that we are going to see detail further. Okay, so you can note down this definition. You can write down in your notebook. The logic gates are the basic circuits of digital electronic system like resistors, capacitors in analog circuit. Now we'll see the first part, and that is nothing but the logic gates. Now in case of the logic gate, we can say it is a electronic circuit. It is a one kind of circuit. Now you know the different kinds of circuit. You have the circuit in your at home also. So TV, it is also one kind of circuit. Then your computer, it is a one kind of circuit. So different electronics gadgets, these are the circuits. So your logic gate, it is also one kind of electronic circuit. But what is the difference? So which it having the one or many input but only one output. So this, it is logic gate. It is one electronic circuit which having one or more input. These are the input A and B. This is your logic gate, and it having only one output. Getting it only having the one output. This is the, what is, we can say, voltage, VCC. So logic gate can be constructed by using your switches. You know the switches. We have the different kinds of switches on our board. Like when we want to switch on the different kinds of electronic gadget, then we have the switches on and off, then relays, then vacuum tubes, transistors and or diodes. These are the different electronic circuits, and when we want to give the input to this electronic circuit, then to give the input we have the switches. So this your logic gates, these are working as a switch to the electronic gadget. So in case of this logic gates, when we have the availability, it is in the form of integrated circuits. So we know the different kinds of ICs. IC stands for integrated circuits. You know the IC, you are using that IC in your mobile also. We are using the IC in computer also. So IC stands for integrated circuit. And why it is known as the IC? Because different computer, these are situated in one integrated circuits. So that is why it is known as the IC. And these ICs, they are building up the digital circuit, and they are used to construct the different kinds of digital circuits. So first of all, we will see the different logic gates. Here, by using this logic gates, we are going to study the different things which is used in a computer. So first thing that we are going to see, so what is the logic behind this logic gates? So logic, write down, means you can note down these things. Logic, it is one, it is the definition, and we can say it is the statement which gives the condition for high output. Logic may be in terms of high or low, true or false, or 1 and 0. So if you want to define the logic, so logic, it is the condition which gives the high output. Getting, it is one condition which always give us the high output. Okay, so always logic, it is defined in terms of high or low, true or false, 0 and 1. So we can define the logic in this way. Next term that we are going to see, it is the truth table. So it is one table in which logic is expressed by taking all possible combinations of input and respective outputs. So second part, first we have seen the logic, okay, and now second we are going to see the truth table. Truth table. So what is the truth table? So truth table, it is the one table, same table that we can see. So it is one table in which the logic is expressed by taking all combinations of input and respective output. So if you are taking the all possible combinations, means you can take the, suppose first of all you are giving, this is A and B, this is nothing but our input, and suppose Y, it is our output. So 4 possible combinations means first of all low low, then high low, then low high, then high high, means 0 0, this is the low input, 1 0, 1 it is high, another it is low, then 1 it is low, another it is high, and after giving this input, what will be the output? This is the showing of these things is known as the truth table, means it is the all possible combinations of input which gives us the output. Okay, and then next it is the Boolean equation. After truth table we can say the Boolean equation. Now in case of the Boolean equation, we can say it is a mathematical equation representing the particular gate for input and output. So you know the mathematics, in mathematics you have the different kinds of equation such as a square plus b square, it is equal to c square. So it is the way of representing your equation. In case of the logic gates also you have the Boolean equation. तुम्हाला इथे सुद्धा Boolean equation असतात. आता हे Boolean equation काय रिप्रेझेंट करतात, तर लॉजिक गेट्स, आपण जे लॉजिक गेट्स वापरतोय तर त्या लॉजिक गेट्समध्ये आपण ते गेट कुठल्या पद्धतीने वापरतोय, what is the method of using that thing is known as the Boolean equation. आता हे Boolean equation म्हणजे प्रत्येक गेटसाठी एक Boolean equation फिक्स्ड आहे आणि तेच इक्वेशन यूज करून आपण त्याच्यावरून त्याचा ट्रूथ टेबल फाइंड आउट करू शकतो आणि त्याचं आपण लॉजिक पण फाइंड आउट करू शकतो. सो इफ वी नो द Boolean equation then we are going to find out the different things such as your truth table आणि तुमचं लॉजिक तुम्ही फाइंड आउट करू शकतात. So Boolean equation, it is a way of representing the logic gate. It is a mathematical way of representing your logic gate. So who has developed this Boolean equation? So there was the one scientist named Boolean, and he invented a new idea in algebra. And this algebra, it proved that the binary logic is valid फॉर लेटर्स अँड सिम्बॉल्स. जसं आपण मॅथमॅटिक्समध्ये ए प्लस बी इज इक्वल टू असं आपण देऊ शकतो. म्हणजे आपण काय करतो की अल्जेब्रा, बुलियन अल्जेब्रा हा आपण यूज करून आपण हेच बुलियन अल्जेब्रा आपल्याला कम्प्युटर्समध्ये पण कसा यूज करता येईल हे बुलियन ह्या सायंटिस्टने फाइंड आउट केलं. कुठला सायंटिस्ट होता तो? बुलियन ह्या सायंटिस्टने फाइंड आउट केलं आणि म्हणून त्याला नाव काय दिलं गेलं तर बुलियन इक्वेशन. Okay, and the last one, last notation, it is the symbol. And what is the symbol? So each gate is represented by a logical symbol like register symbol. म्हणजे जो प्रत्येक गेट आपण इथे बघणार आहोत, इथे खूप आपल्याला बरेचसे गेट बघायचे आहेत आणि जे काही गेट्स आपण बघणार, सो दॅट ऑल गेट्स हॅविंग इट्स ओन सिम्बॉल. म्हणजे त्या सिम्बॉलवरून आपण आयडेंटिफाय करू शकतो की हे गेट कुठलं आहे. ओके, आता मी इथे ॲक्च्युली व्हिडिओमध्ये पण मी थोडं मराठी आणि थोडं इंग्लिश बोलणार आहे बिकॉज आय नो दॅट सम स्टुडंट्स दे आर कमिंग फ्रॉम इंग्लिश मीडियम अँड सम स्टुडंट्स दे आर कमिंग फ्रॉम मराठी मीडियम. सो टू मेक द अंडरस्टँड बोथ kind of student, so I will talk in English also and I will talk in Marathi also, so that you will understand the things. Okay, so आतापर्यंत जेवढं झालं आहे आपल्याला कळलं आहे की आपण हा लेसन स्टार्ट केला आहे. ओके, आणि या लेसनमध्ये आता आपण वेगवेगळ्या गोष्टी कुठल्या बघितल्या तर लॉजिक बघितलं. एक लॉजिक आपण पहिल्यांदा आपण व्हॉट इज लॉजिक गेट्स त्याची डेफिनेशन बघितली. मग नंतर आपल्याला ह्या सगळ्या टर्म्स बघायच्या आहेत, लॉजिक, ट्रूथ टेबल, बुलियन इक्वेशन आणि सिम्बॉल. शेवटचं आपण बघितलं आहे तर सिम्बॉल. आता ह्या सगळ्या नोट्स मी तुम्हाला लिहून सेंड करणार आहे, तर त्या तुम्ही नंतर नोट डाऊन करायच्या. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट आपण टाईप्स ऑफ गेट्स हे पुढच्या सेशनला स्टार्ट करणार.